Human dependence on fossil fuels has brought nature and economics together. Since the Industrial Revolution, countries and private companies have taken advantage of Earth's natural resources for economic gain. This exploitation has come at a cost to Earth's climate. However, instead of acting as a warning sign, changes in the environment that are already being experienced today are seen as new opportunities for financial profit. Climate change, for the first time, is making the Arctic's natural resources accessible. The ice cap that covers the Arctic region is reducing every year, exposing about 20% of the world's undiscovered oil and natural gas reserves, providing an opportunity for countries that govern the region to increase their international power. The Yamal Peninsula is situated in the northwest of Siberia, 2,500 kilometers from Moscow. It is one of the harshest environments on Earth, with temperatures reaching -50 degrees Celsius and permafrost as its terrain. It is far from any city or infrastructure and is traversed by only pipelines and reindeer herders. Despite the hostile conditions and thanks to the warming of the Arctic Circle, Russian hydrocarbon company Novatek, China National Petroleum, and French multinational Total have undertaken a $27 billion project to build a colossal liquefied natural gas plant. It is called Yamal LNG. Besides the production facilities, the project includes the building of the Sabetta port and the design of an entirely new type of ship. The ship is capable of breaking ice up to 2 meters thick and is, therefore, able to transport liquefied natural gas across the frozen Arctic Sea. 15 of these icebreaker tankers are now fully operational, shipping liquefied natural gas between Sabetta and ports in the east and west. Due to the plant's location, gas is able to be shipped to Asia throughout the year, either eastward during the summer or westward through Europe during the winter. Although the plant has only been operating since 2017, the majority of its future production has been sold to Asian countries who still use coal as their dominant source of energy. In order to meet the 2-degree target set by the Paris Agreement for climate change, these countries need to substitute coal with less polluting fuels, such as liquefied natural gas. When the plant was inaugurated in 2017, Russian President Vladimir Putin symbolically pushed a button to start the loading of Yamal LNG's first shipment. At Putin's command, a cargo of 172,000 cubic meters of natural gas was pumped into a vessel sitting at the port. Despite the large network of international investors involved in the realization of the project, Putin's push of the button symbolized Russia's total control over Yamal. This positioning of Russia as a dominant power is also reflected in their declaration alongside their signing of the Paris Agreement. In the declaration, Russia cited Article 9 of the agreement, which states that advanced countries shall assist developing countries in the mitigation of climate change. Specifying their position as a developed country, they also stated that they consider it unacceptable to use the agreement as a barrier to sustainable social and economic development between signatories.
Je n'entends pas d'objection. L'accord de Paris pour le climat est accepté.
Through the eyes of the Paris Agreement, Russia's operation to provide cheap and easy-to-deliver fuel to countries that need it to lower their emissions is legitimate. On the other hand, in reality, they are continuing to extract fossil fuels that should be left underground and are devastating the Arctic landscape. It is clear that climate change must be considered a geopolitical force that is able to reshuffle world hierarchies. And this raises several questions on the role and impact of international mechanisms that are supposed to tackle global warming. Are they a real step towards tackling the problem? Or are they just a way to gain the most from the climate crisis?